Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's dive right into it. Check out the description below for a link to my Drive folder, where you'll get free access to my custom indicators for NinjaTrader. I've got a variety of indicators available for anyone who wants to test them out. Many of these come from Kellyanne Trades. Now, I don't personally rely on many indicators, but one I do use is the VWAP indicator. It's incredibly effective and works really well. I've also tested this trade copier. It's pretty simple but does exactly what it's supposed to do. One tool I use every day is the break-even indicator. You can assign up to 4 different price levels to it, and with a single click, it moves all your stops to those levels. It's especially handy if you trade multiple contracts. For example, you can quickly move all stops to break even, and if you're recycling shares, you can easily readjust them to one location. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tools make a difference in your trading journey. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.